everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This vlog is going to be an interesting and exciting one because I'm going to be attending my first ever Kazar, that's what we call in Konkani in Goa, for a Catholic wedding. So my friend, my only Catholic friend, my close one, is getting married in next 2 days, and I just felt like to document all of these things. And also I'm going to be attending Kazar for the first time, so yeah, everything's going to be exciting and happening. Stay tuned for more updates. So right now I am all dressed up because I am going to shoot with Viraj, my fellow creator. Check out his page, creates awesome content in terms of comedy, yeah, and Goan on Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description box below. It's been now couple of reels that I've been shooting with him. It's so fun to shoot such comedy reels, and I enjoy all of. Hey everyone, I'm back home and I just wanted to talk to you all about ASAP, about the hair thing that happened. And they are so good, especially Sahil, the guy who did my whole haircut and then hair wash and then the blow dry effect also. So yeah, I would highly recommend that place. They are so nice. Also, this is not something very fancy in terms of prices. 700, this is what I got. I cannot stop touching my hair. And also this was my first time proper salon experience, and that is why I was first very nervous. So I had kept my hopes very low, and yeah, I just went with the flow. I wanted to keep my length as it was. It was just like here, and it is still here, which is quite a big thing. And then I just wanted to have a little bit of layers. Yeah, I wanted a little bit of layers, and he understood my thing, I mean whatever I wanted, so well, and he did this job great. So yeah, I am so impressed, and I am definitely going back to that place. Whoever is watching me, please give it a try. They won't disappoint you. Get your hair done by Sahil from Rene and Roy Salon. And this is unsponsored, totally unsponsored. But definitely my friend Manali had gone there. She did her Kera smoothing, which turned out so good. And then she's now regular customer. So then she recommended me also to go there and experience. It suits my face so well. The other thing that I wanted to speak to you all about was about the wedding that's happening tomorrow. So today is 6th and the wedding is 7th. I still wanted to show you all the clothing things that I got and what all I'm keeping and what all I'm returning. So I had placed order for two dresses, but they both failed miserably from Savannah, and one at least came, but the other one did not even arrived on time. About the H&M stuff, it has arrived obviously, and I'm going to show you all how it looks. So I had ordered two dresses. So yeah, I'm keeping one of that dress because it looks really cool, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys, and it's the 7th of December and it is going to be super crazy because first I have to go to work now. So in the evening the things are going to get crazy, so yeah, stay tuned with me. Also, there's an exciting thing that I'm going to tell you all in the evening, so stay tuned about that. I'm super excited. Neha and Madam. Hello everyone. everyone, so I'm back home. It's literally like 2:30 now and I need to leave. I have to leave by 3:15 and I haven't packed as yet. I don't know what I'm doing and super in rush. Definitely need to pack for the outfits. I've sorted out everything. I know what I need to take with me. So literally it's the last moment packing that you all are going to see. At work also it was so hectic today. I was just not doing it, like I was losing my mind. And then I also went to the mall to get the slippers and also the accessories, which also I was not able to shoot. But yeah, the whole vlog has been like this only. The nail situation is the worst. Also, I don't know, I wanted to really apply skin, like the face mask. We'll see if I will able to do that in the car. But as of now, the packing situation looks like this. So yeah, I'm packing 3 of the dresses, one for the wedding thing, one just in case for tomorrow, and then the backup plan. And yeah, that's it about it. I'm not taking too many outfits. I need to pack my makeup bag. I'll do that just in a bit. And I'll see you soon in the car. Maybe I'll just have my food and then I'll rush. So I'll see you soon in the car and I'll give you all the updates. Bye. Look, wait.
Kidnapping
So I am the assistant for the day. You know exactly what I'm talking about. And yeah, this is my job, to carry the lights, to set up the lights. And currently I am going to sit here, enjoy the view, because they have gone down to the beach to like click the photos. So yeah, I'm just going to do that and look at the view. Okay, so I'm finally at the room. The property looks so good, and this was the exact same thing that I was talking to you all about, that the exciting part. And let me show you the exciting part. It has a plunge pool. So this is the bathroom. So this is Azara Resort Anjuna, and it is so beautiful, so elegant. I cannot wait to show you all everything that it has to offer. So yeah, stay tuned. Currently again running a little late, but I'm going to get dressed in the pretty outfit and then we'll go to the Kazar. Running late. This is so pretty. Currently I'm literally obsessed with bows, and I got this one.
Stand on your own. You'll always be my little girl, my whole life, my whole world, my
everyone. It's the next day after the wedding, and it was so crazy last night that I did not get to shoot. My phone was dead, and we came to the place so late, and then I was super tired, so we just slept in. But today is the second day, and I'm going to now make her ready for her second day. It's the homecoming of the bride with the groom, so yeah, I'm going to do that later on. But now I've just now woken up, and I'm running for the breakfast and click some amazing pictures, get ready again, and I'll see you soon. Okay, so for the breakfast we have a lot of spread, actually starting from the fruits to the cornflakes and some chocos. You also have the milk, hot and cold. Then there's a lot of variety though. You can choose from whatever you want, starting from the pasta, then the sprouts, and along with some butter and bread. So that's interesting. And then the upma, and I guess the chole. Yeah, we also have the chole, and yeah, the tea and a coffee. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy my good spread of breakfast, and I'll see you soon. So currently I'm at Giselle's in-laws place, and now we are going to get her ready for her second day. It's like a ritual wherein the bride along with the groom comes back to her place. So yeah, she's going to wear sari and I'm going to dress her up. I've already done her hair, but yeah, we are waiting for a little longer and then we'll start with the makeup. This vlog throughout has been like very on the go. Nothing was planned, the things just kept on happening, and I'm so glad that I started documenting all of it, so that it's so wholesome to like watch all of these vlogs later on, and it is the best thing ever. So yeah, that's what the whole vlog has been about. Hey guys, so I will end the vlog here itself. It was a super hectic but it was super fun week in my life, I would say. Everything, as I said, was not planned. I just kept on documenting, and I am so glad that I did that. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed watching this vlog, totally unfiltered. But if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you all haven't already. I really wish to hit 500 subscribers before we end this year. Follow me on my Instagram and let me know what other kinds of video y'all would like to see. Thank you for always supporting and always being there for me and commenting, sharing my video. It makes my heart so full every time. And yeah, with that, I'll see you soon in the next one.